In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off iCloud syncing on iPhone. If you're looking to turn off iCloud syncing on your iPhone, follow these steps. First, open the Settings app on your device. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple account settings. Next, scroll down and tap on iCloud to open the iCloud settings. Now, you'll see a list of apps and features that are syncing with iCloud. Tap on the option that says iCloud under Apps using iCloud. Here, you can choose which apps and features you want to stop syncing with iCloud. For example, you can turn off syncing for contacts, reminders, Safari, and more. When you turn off iCloud syncing for any app, you will be asked if you want to keep the data on your phone or delete it. For instance, if you turn off contacts, you can choose whether to keep the iCloud contacts on your device or delete them. Make your selection based on what you prefer for each app. For example, reminders will be removed from your phone if you turn them off. For Safari, you can either keep or delete the data. And that's it. You've successfully turned off iCloud syncing for your chosen apps. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips.